In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Outlook email as a PDF. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the inbox or folder where the email is stored. This method is useful when you want to keep a copy of an important message, share it in a more universal format, or archive it for future reference without needing to stay inside Outlook. Once Outlook is open, take a moment to locate the specific email you want to save. You can scroll through your inbox, check another folder if needed, or use the search bar if that helps you find the message faster. It's a good idea to confirm you've selected the correct email before moving on, especially if you're working with several similar messages. When you find the email, click on it to open it. This makes sure you're viewing the full message and gives you access to the options you'll need. If the email contains attachments, keep in mind that this process saves the email itself as a PDF. So what you see in the print view is what will be included. Next, look for the three dots, which usually open a menu with additional actions. Click the three dots to display more options for that email. From there, choose the print option. This will open the print settings, where you can decide how the email will be output. In the print window, look for the printer selection area. Instead of choosing a physical printer, select the option to save or print as a PDF. The exact wording may vary depending on your version of Outlook or your operating system, but you're looking for the PDF option in the printer list or destination menu. After selecting PDF, review the preview if one appears. This is helpful because it lets you quickly check how the email will look when saved. If everything looks right, click Save. You'll then be asked where you want to store the file on your computer. Choose a folder that's easy to remember, and if needed, give the file a clear name so you can find it later without confusion. Once you click Save, the email will be stored as a PDF on your device. That's it. You've successfully converted an Outlook email into a PDF file. This is a simple and practical way to keep important emails organized, accessible, and easy to share whenever you need them.